guys, only Rob from Vauxhall here. Just going to show you today's install, which is done on a Opel Mokka, or sorry, a Vauxhall Mokka, excuse me on that one. And this is our 8-inch screen replacement one, which will only work in cars with the basic radio, not for cars with navigation. So this part here is obviously the touchscreen section of it. It also comes with a CD box which goes behind here, which obviously goes right behind all these buttons, and then you can play DVDs through the normal discs. As you can see, I've got a DVD on there at the moment. As you can see, it's all touchscreen on the DVD section. I'll show you through there. So I'm just gonna show you what else it's got to offer, this system here. I'm just gonna go off the DVD part. So as you can see, you got your navigation, your radio. Sorry, it's a bit sunny today, guys. Music, video settings. As you can see, it works with all these buttons down here. Press that when the radio comes on. All your buttons here will change stations.
Of course, the most famous barrage.
So all these buttons will still work with our system here.
Yeah, what I was going to say, in a 70s situation comedy.
It's got RDS, which shows you the station names here. So you can have CarPlay built into this. I've got to apologise, guys, because it's a little bit, quite a lot of reflection today with it being quite a sunny day, as you can see with the whiteness of the dashboard on top. But if you're familiar with our videos, you would have seen quite a lot more extensive videos on this range and showing you what to do. I am going to keep it short today. It's only basically because obviously I've got the customer waiting around. It works for the steering wheel controls. But this is our RBT 5549 model, which is found on our website. It comes with an 8-core processor, 4 and 32 gig of RAM. You can increase it to 4 and 64. You can add CarPlay and Android Auto to it, and also a DSP sound processor, which enhances the sound output. But as I say, if you've got any questions, give us a shout, and we'll get back to you shortly. Thank you, bye bye.